number system and introduction. Why learn the number systems? We humans speak in a particular language. This language is made of words and letters. Although we type words and letters in the computer does not understand the words and letters. Rather, those words and letters are translated into numbers. A computer can talk and understand in numbers. That too in only two numbers, called binary numbers. Why computers use binary number system? A computer needs to convert the instructions giving languages to binary number system. Binary number system is used by computers because a computer can understand only two states, that is, presence and absence of the electrical pulse. A binary digit is called a bit. There are two possible states in a bit, expressed as 0 and 1. And these are the two numbers used in the binary number system. A bit could represent on, off of an electrical circuit. Yes, no, true, false, 0, non-zero, or similar two states or binary wording. Since computers work on electricity, we can use these two states only to represent each number or character. A series of 8 bits makes a byte. This is an ordered sequence of 8 bits that can represent one of 256 or 2 to the power of 8 possible values. So, a byte of memory can store a decimal number in the range 0 to 255. These are good enough to represent all the printable and non-printable characters. The ASCII code is developed to represent all characters, including capital and small alphabets, numbers 0 to 9, punctuation marks, and any other special characters. Why octal and hexadecimal number systems? Octal and hexadecimal numbers are a convenient way to represent binary numbers used by computers. Computer mechanics often need to write out binary quantities. But in practice, writing out a binary number such as 100, 100, 110, 101, 0001 is tedious and prone to errors. Therefore, binary quantities are written in a base 8 octal or much more commonly a base 16 hexadecimal or hex number format. This is why you need to understand the 4 most common number systems that are frequently used in computers. These number systems are binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. If you have an understanding of the number systems, you will understand how the computer converts each number or character into binary and performs the required operations. Understanding number systems. A number can be represented with different base values. The base of any number system is determined by the number of digits in the system. You are familiar with the decimal numbers. In the decimal number system, there are 10 different numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence, the base is 10. A computer uses a binary number system, which can have only two values, 0 and 1. Hence, the base is 2. A decimal number with a few digits can be expressed in binary form using a large number of digits. Thus, the number 65 can be expressed in binary form as 100 0001. An octal number with base 8 makes use of the 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The binary form can be expressed more compactly by grouping 3 binary digits together to form an octal number. A more compact representation is used by hexadecimal representation, which groups 4 binary digits together. It can make use of 16 digits, but since we have only 10 digits, the remaining 6 digits are made up of first 6 letters of the alphabet. Thus, the hexadecimal base uses 0, 1, 2 up to 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F as digits. The table below shows a comparison of the first 16 numbers in the binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal number system. Analyze these numbers using the relationship between digit, base, and position. Notice that a binary 10 is the same as a decimal 2, that an octal 10 is the same as a decimal 8, that a hexadecimal 10 is the same as a decimal 16, that each hexadecimal digit has corresponding 4 bits in binary system. Each octal digit has corresponding 3 bits in binary system. You can represent the binary notation from the hexadecimal number by grouping 4 binary digits per hexadecimal digit, or from the octal number by grouping 3 binary digits per octal digit, and vice versa. Each group can be converted to a single number by giving the powers of 2. Convert from any base to decimal. In the decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal systems, the value of any digit in a number depends on its position within that number, that is, the place value of the digit. The significance of place value. The order of the digits is significant, according to which it carries the weight. The positional value is based on the powers of the number system's base value. The formula to convert from any base to decimal is digit into base, position, number. Let us analyze the decimal number 345 to understand that how a number system works on positional values. Observe that 3 is the most significant digit. It carries the most weight, and 5 is the least significant digit. It carries the least weight. The first digit of this number is 3, but because this digit is located in the hundreds column, you know it really represents the value 3 into 10 to the power of 2 or 300. It is the most significant digit as it carries the most weight. Similarly, the 4 in the tens column represents the value 4 into 10 to the power 1 or 40, and 5 is the least significant digit and carries the weight of 10 to the power of 0, which is 1. So, it has the value of 5 into 10 to the power of 0 equal to 5. Remember that any base to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is the same for each number system. The least significant digit has a value of base to the power 0 equal to 1, increasing to base to the power of 1 for the next digit, base to the power of 2 for the next, and so on. We distinguish between various number systems by putting a small subscript after the number to indicate the base. For example, a typical decimal number would be written like 465 base 10, and a typical binary number would be written like 11011 base 2. This works well with binary and octal systems, and you have practiced in previous class. What about the decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number 33b base 16? Convert the hexadecimal number to decimal. Let us convert the hexadecimal number 33b base 16 to decimal notation. Since you are using a base 16 number system, the columns of your table are now powers of 16. As you did before, you can find the decimal value of 33b base 16 by computing the value of each digit and adding them. Substitute b with 11 base 10 in this conversion. You will see that the decimal number 827 base 10 is 33b base 16 in hexadecimal. Let us have fun now and play with numbers. Convert some decimal numbers into octal and binary and watch what the equivalent numbers are in different systems. So far, you have learned how to convert from any number system to decimal system. Now, you will learn to convert from decimal to another system. Convert from decimal to any base. Let us analyze the decimal number 345 again and convert it to decimal notation. Think about what you do to obtain in each digit. To extract the last digit, you divide the given number by its base 10. The remainder of 4 is the last digit. To extract the next last digit, you again divide the quotient 34. And the remainder of 3 is the next last digit. Repeat this process until there is nothing left. Then you stop. In the summary, you mention R. Convert from decimal to binary. Now try converting a decimal number 345 in binary notation. Note that the desired base is 2. So, you have to repeatedly divide the given decimal number by 2. Stop when the quotient is 0. Write the remainders in reverse order, as shown before representing the decimal notation. So the answer is 345 base 10 is equal to 101011 base 2. Convert from decimal to octal. Now express the same decimal number 345 in octal notation. Stop when the quotient is 0. Write the remainders in reverse order, as shown before representing the decimal notation. So the answer is 345 base 10 is equal to 531 base 8. Convert from decimal to hexadecimal. This time, express the same decimal number 345 in hexadecimal notation. Stop when the quotient is 0. Write the remainders in reverse order as shown above. So the answer is 345 base 10 is equal to 195 base 16. Remember, if the remainder is greater than 9, replace it with appropriate letter A, B, C, D, E, F. Example, convert the decimal number 1341 to hexadecimal notation. Replace 13 with D while writing the answer. So the answer is 1341 base 10 is equal to 53D base 16. Now you can check your answer by converting from decimal to other number systems and vice versa. Enjoy! Have fun with number systems. The understanding of number systems helps you in advanced programming and memory management.